Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can connect a domain to your Wix website. Alright, so to do this, just log into your Wix account. After that, we're just gonna go to My Sites. We're gonna go to All Sites, and you need to choose the one that you have a premium plan on. So you need to have a premium plan. The lowest you can go is connect a domain plan, and after that you can just go up if you want to have more from your Wix account. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and click on select site. We're gonna go to settings in the left sidebar, and we're gonna go to this one, domain not connected. We're gonna click on this blue link, connect domain. Alright, so now you have two options. You have buy a new domain within Wix, or connect a domain you already own or that you can buy right away using Namecheap. You find the link in the description, which will bring you to Namecheap if you want to buy a domain. So link in the description. This link is an affiliate link, so if you buy through my link, I will get a small commission. In this tutorial, we will focus on connect a domain you already own, but I will show you real quick also how to buy a new domain within Wix. If you just want to have your Wix website on Wix for a long time, you can just use this one, buy a new domain on Wix. So you can just click on that one and just search for a domain, hit search, and if it's available, just go and click on get it, and just follow the steps. Choose how many years, contact info, privacy, and checkout. And this is how you can connect a domain within Wix. But in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can connect a domain if you have another provider like Namecheap. Okay, so we're gonna go and click on connect a domain you already own. Okay, so first you just need to go to Namecheap or any other provider, but Namecheap has cheap prices for domains. So you see that they have from $5.98 a year. All right, so let's search for a domain and see if it's available. Go and click on search, and if it's available, you can just go and click on add to cart, go to checkout, and just fill in the information and just confirm order. Okay, after that you will just go to your username right here and go to dashboard and go to domain list, and you will see your domain right here. Now you can go back to Wix. So you just gotta go and search for this domain. Don't forget to add .com or .net or whatever you have and hit enter. So finding your domain provider. So we found your domain at Namecheap, which is correct. And after that, we're just gonna go and click on yes, it's from Namecheap. And after that, we're gonna go and click on start. And we will go and click on I logged in. We're gonna go I found my domain, and we're gonna go and click on I found my name servers. Okay, so these are the name servers we're gonna use. So we can start to copy this first name server. All right, we're gonna go back to Namecheap. We're gonna go to this one, click on manage, and go to this one, name servers, and go and click on this drop down menu and click on custom DNS. All right, now we're gonna paste this name server right here. We're gonna go back and take the second one, go back to Namecheap, and just paste it right here. Now we're gonna go and click on this green check mark to save it. Okay, go back to Wix and just click on I added them. So verifying your connection. Alright, so we are checking your domain. It can take up to 48 hours, but usually it takes sooner than that, maybe 40 minutes, 1 hour. You should also get a text message to your phone that everything is connected. Okay everyone, so this is how you can connect your domain to your Wix website using Namecheap, but you can also buy a domain within the Wix platform. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you, and you also find a playlist in the description below for Wix tutorials. Okay everyone, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.